everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing video. And today we're doing the Allure Beauty Box for March 2020. Before we get into it, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, that like button down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. I know about 60% of my viewers aren't subscribed, so if you haven't yet, why not go ahead and hit that subscribe button? And if you have any comments while you're watching, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below as well. One more quick thing, I do own my own online clothing boutique. It is niminies.com. The link's in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the Allure Beauty Box for March 2020. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. There it is. There is a book. It's falling. It fell. There's a little book in here that has all of the products and the descriptions and so forth. So I will be referring to that as we go. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what all is inside. That's what it looks like. It's actually really pretty full this month. So that's pretty cool. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? All right, so I'm going to pull this out first because I'm not actually going to be putting this on. This is the Rodial Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. It is a little torn, so it's not entirely torn open. Just the one little corner is torn. That's fine. The rest of it is completely sealed, but it is a mascara. Obviously, I think it's obvious. Maybe it's not. I have mascara on already. Maybe it looks like I have no mascara on. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not going to open this because I think I have about 5 mascaras open. I have already filmed my declutter of my mascaras, which is coming soon. If you are like declutter videos, stay tuned. In the next couple of weeks, my mascara declutter will come up. But I'm trying to be more cognizant of how many mascaras I have open at any one given time so that I'm not wasting them. So I'm not going to open this right now, but I'm going to go ahead and read to you what it says in the book. So this is the Rodial Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. About a year ago, I decided to test nearly 100 mascaras in one summer. That's pretty impressive. For 3 months, I tried one a day, and only about a quarter made the mascaras I actually like list. Rodial's Glamo Lash Mascara XXL was one of those unicorns. The formula is very inky, so it evenly coats lashes on the first swipe. Building it up is a breeze too. On a normal day, I add 3 layers, and I've never had to deal with clumping. Although the brush is thick, the thinner tip makes it easy to hit my bottom lashes as well. Glamo lashes build as a long wear formula, and I can confirm that there's almost no fallout at the end of the day, yet it's easy to remove with an oil cleanser. That's from Kara McGrath, Digital Deputy Editor. The price is $28. Promo code enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order, valid from March 1st through April 30th. Redeemable on full price products only, and cannot be combined with other offers. So if you're interested in getting 20% off, it's rodial.co.uk/US. So I was going to go ahead and keep this, but honestly, after reading the description, I'm not going to for a couple of reasons. Number one, I don't like really wet mascaras. I struggle with getting mascara on without getting it everywhere on my face. So if it's a really wet mascara, which I'm assuming when it says the formula is very inky, I'm assuming that means it's very wet. So that's not something I prefer. I know that there's some people on YouTube who are like, oh, this mascara is amazing. And then I get it and I try it out and I'm like, whoa, that is way too wet for me. You know what I mean? And then it also says it has a large, the brush is thick, the thinner tip. So given that the brush is thick, that's another thing that I'm not a big fan of, again, because I struggle with not getting makeup everywhere, mascara specifically. When I put this mascara on, I don't know if you guys can tell, there was one little black dot right there on my face because my eye slipped. This is going to go on my giveaway drawer. All right, let's keep going. Let's pull out this next item right here. This is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter from Dr. Botanicals. I don't know what rescue butter is. I don't know. It's sealed all around, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this. Then we will read it, and I will make a determination based on the description whether or not I want to open it or not. It might just go to one of you guys. I don't know just yet. Let's find it in the book. Okay. So this is the Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. What is that, like a moisturizer? Let's see. I don't know. It's no coincidence that the words salve and salvation are just a few letters apart. This thick balm, okay, so it's a balm. from Dr. Botanicals has become my everyday savior. Some ointments are so gelatinous that you can barely spread them across the skin, but this lotion is creamy and pastel yellow. And the light citrus scent really makes it feel like a treat, not a treatment. I use it all over: face, hands, elbow, knees, and cracked heels. The blend of coconut oil, lemongrass oil, and antioxidants keeps my skin from drying out. It's one of the few items that travels from purse to purse, along with my keys, wallet, and headphones. I can't be without it. And it says JC. Who's JC? Jessica Cruel? Features director. Price is $14.90, drbotanicals.com. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off full priced items from March 1st through April 30th. So there you go. All right, next item. Let's pull this out right here because it's on the other page that I'm looking at. This is from Mamondi, I don't know how to pronounce the word. Red Energy Recovery Serum. My brain and mouth are not connecting right today. This is a serum. Come on, camera, focus. Let's see. Sometimes it just likes to look at my face. There it is. All right. So this is Mamondi. Red Energy Recovery Serum. I'm making myself laugh. I may not be making you laugh, but I'm laughing at myself. It's okay. While in Seoul, South Korea last spring, I saw ads for Mamon's Red Energy Recovery Serum everywhere. This is one of the country's most classic brands. Now the lightweight gel is available here, and I've been using it every day. Like most Mamone formulas, this one's spiked with flower extracts like antioxidant-rich pomegranate flower to protect skin from environmental aggressors. I applied 2 pumps after toner, and the serum quickly absorbs without any annoying stickiness. Although it takes a couple of weeks for the smoothing and brightening benefits to kick in, my skin instantly looked and felt more hydrated. From Devin Abelman, Digital Beauty Editor. Price is $40, I'm sure, for the full price, or full size. This is only 5 milliliters. It looks like it's 30 milliliters or 1.01 ounces. The full size is 0.16 fluid ounces. You can get it at Ulta.com. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off a full-size Red Energy Recovery Serum. There you go. Okay, moving on. I'm going to flip the page and see what's next in the book. All right. This is the last page, so we're just going to go with this right here. This is from Rituals. It's the Ritual of Ayurveda Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel. Let's go with that. Rituals Shower Gel. Okay. So this is the Ritual of Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel. After working in an office all day and commuting on a train for 2 hours, I can sympathize. I've done that before. 3 hours for me. I really value my personal read alone time. There are days when pretty much all I get is in the shower, and this Ritual shower foam helps me maximize every second. 1 pump releases a handful of rich, thick froth that's enough to cover my entire body and make my bathroom smell like a fancy Ayurvedic spa that I could never afford. And it contains Indian rose and sweet almond oil that makes it so hydrating. It's also now my go-to shaving cream. From Angela Trakocius, assistant editor. Price is $9.50. This is not a full size. This is 1.6 ounces. It looks like full size is 6.7 ounces. You can get this at Macy's.com. Enter Allure 25 at checkout to receive $5 off any $25 Rituals purchase from February 1st through May 1st of 2020. All right, I'm going to pull this out next. Looks like I got, so there were 2 options for masks, a pink one and a blue one. I got the blue one. So the pink one was a firming mask, and this is a moisturizing mask. Both are worth $3 from Lapcos USA. Enter Allure at checkout to receive a free charcoal exfoliating and cleansing pad from March 1st through April 30th. So this one is the moisturizing mask from Lapcos Hyaluronic Moisturizing Mask is what it says. I put my skin through a lot lately. I've been traveling on planes back to back, and I may have committed the cardinal sin of sleeping in my makeup once or twice. It happens. All that and a lack of sleep left my complexion looking a little dull. This sheet mask got me back to my usual dewy self. It's super saturated, and after 20 minutes, my skin was moisturized thanks to the hyaluronic acid, and redness had faded. Nice work. Althea rosea flower extract. I followed with my usual nighttime routine and noticed a radiance I hadn't seen in a while from Kathleen Suko, assistant editor. And there's one more thing in here. It is this item right here. It is from Floss. It's my new favorite lip gloss, which we got that item a couple of months ago. This apparently is a new shade. It's in the shade LAX. So let's go ahead and pull it out. I still have that floss. I kept that floss, the lip gloss. It did make it past my declutter that I did earlier this year. So again, this is my new favorite lip gloss in LAX. It's definitely a deeper shade. I do have a lip liner on right now. I'm going to put the gloss over top the liner in just a moment to give it a try. So this is the Floss, my new favorite lip gloss in LAX. Because lip gloss was everything when I was a kid, wearing it now sometimes makes me feel like a preteen. But unlike the gooey glosses of my youth, this formula feels like a hybrid of a creamy lipstick and a hydrating lip mask. A few swipes of the LAX shade deliver a peachy pink hue with just a hint of shine. I grab it when I need a nude look with a retro feel. Think Twiggy meets Bond Girl. But the true genius of this gloss might just be the squishy tube that enables you to use every last drop. From Nicolas Delassene, I don't know, digital staff writer. The price is $16. You can buy it at flossitup.com. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 15% off your order from March 1st through May 31st of 2020. So let's go ahead and put this on, and then we will talk about what all I got in here and what I think about it. It does have a sweet scent to it. Okay. That is pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on the back of my hand just so you can see the shade without the lip liner. It's definitely a peachy shade, whereas the other Floss lip gloss that we got was completely clear. You can see that is a peachy shade. So that's pretty. I like that a lot. All right. So let's go over the items I got in my box. I got the lip gloss, which I'm happy about. The mascara, which is going to go in a giveaway for one of you all. The balm, which I haven't decided yet if I'm keeping that or not. The shower cream, foaming shower gel, so shower cream. The mask and the recovery serum. So overall, it's very, very heavily skin. There's two products in here that are makeup related, the gloss and then the mascara. Everything else is skin related, which is okay. I personally prefer to have my boxes be more makeup heavy, and oftentimes the Allure box is. This is a $15 per month box. Overall, I don't think this was a terrible box. I just wish it had more makeup in it. Hopefully as we get a little bit maybe into April, we'll start to get more makeup. And Allure actually usually does a pretty good job of mixing it and having a little bit more, you know, of an even mix. So it is just a little bit heavier in skincare today. So it's all right. Not my favorite box, but it's all right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. And if you have any comments on the items that I got in my box, what do you think of Allure? Do you think this actually turned out to be a pretty good box? Are you on the same fence as I am with maybe wanting a little bit more makeup, or do you love skincare? I would love to know it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye guys.